So IKEA sells these really cool flexible LED lights. It has this flexible shaft that you can bend and adjust the light, and the light is a very low wattage. So I also had this need to mount a camera and be able to adjust it for my printer. And I've gone through lots of camera mounts, but I decided I just wanted to mount my own. I always had some trouble with lighting, so I thought I'd mount it to this IKEA light that I bought. So there's a gentleman out on Thingiverse by the name of Ryan Huang, and I've already been printing some of his stuff. He had created this thing called a modular mounting system, and everything that I've created here works with all the components that he's already created. So what I've created is two things. One is just this one piece here that fits over the IKEA lamp, so it gives you this GoPro style mount. This side faces forward, so it just clips over the hood here. And then I just created a longer version of the knob, and that's only because it was easier for me to locally source a 30mm bolt versus a 25, which Ryan describes in his designs. You can still use the 25, it works just fine if you can find it. I'm using the 30 here, but the problem with the 30 and the shorter knobs, it sticks around a little bit more. It's no big deal though. You can use either one. But then I also created these clips to keep the design kind of clean. You can see it just clips the cable down the side here, and it's pretty slick. So this is another mount that I created that's on the top here that's holding my Microsoft camera, but you can put a mount for whatever type of camera that you have or other device. You don't even have to use a camera. But then you've got this, it's very flexible, and you can just adjust it to any position that you want. So I just thought I'd share it. If it's useful for you, give it a try, try it out. Thanks.